Köppen classification, I said that Köppen's climatic classification, I said that it is kind of empirical classification and quantitative, based on quantitative technique, already we have discussed. And they have utilized some physical quantities. They have utilized some physical quantities like temperature and precipitation, along with some seasonal variation of rainfall. And he has also utilized the Candolle classification, vegetational classification. Understood? And if I am talking about that, a part of it, he has been able to use some three order of letter based classification, means letters are utilized at three levels. Understood? First, I said that first order letters that he has used: A, B, C, D, E and H. A, B, C, D, E and H. साथ में मैं आपको I'll tell you what the Candolle has said. Candolle ने कहा मेगा थर्मल. What he talked about? मेगा थर्मल, मेसोथर्मल, माइक्रोथर्मल, जेरोफाइट, हेक्स्टोथर्मल. Megathermal, that you can understand, then throughout the year the temperature is, I said that throughout the year temperature is what I said that high. Megathermal said that throughout the year temperature is high, and temperature is always more than 18 degrees Celsius. Megathermal says that temperature is always more than, there is no summer, sorry, there is no winter. Yes or not? Megathermal means what? There is no winter. And in this region, which kind of forest will be? Evergreen and tropical forest. Which kind of forest? Tropical forest will be there. Yes? Understood? And if we'll move from, अब मैं ट्रॉपिकल रीजन से थोड़ा ऊपर मूव करूंगा तो मुझे कैसा मिल जाएगा? मिड लैटिट्यूड. यहां पर मेगा थर्मल में क्या इन्होंने वेजिटेशन के लिए किया था ना, वेजिटेशन. ही हैज टॉक्ड अबाउट व्हाट? वेजिटेशनल क्लासिफिकेशन. कैंडोल इज व्हाट? सो मिड लैटिट्यूड फॉरेस्ट इट विल बी देयर. मिड लैटिट्यूड. अंडरस्टूड? क्लियर? कैसा रहेगा? मिड लैटिट्यूड फॉरेस्ट. एंड मिड लैटिट्यूड फॉरेस्ट कैसा होता है? मतलब टेम्परेचर अब धीरे धीरे मेस हो गया, मिडिल कम हो गया, मेसोथर्मल. एंड मिड लैटिट्यूड में कैसा होगा? मिक्स्ड डेसिडियस फॉरेस्ट. मिक्स्ड फॉरेस्ट होगा, थोड़ा बहुत पाइन ट्रीज होंगे, सब वेयर ब्रॉड लीफ फॉरेस्ट. यस, अंडरस्टूड? मिड लैटिट्यूड फॉरेस्ट. माइक्रोथर्मल इट विल बी काइंड ऑफ, आई सेड दैट टैगा एंड स्टेपी. टैगा एंड स्टेपी. एंड जेरोफाइट्स का मतलब होता है, आई सेड दैट डेजर्ट्स. व्हाट इज देयर? डेजर्ट वेजिटेशन. एंड हेक्स्टोथर्मल मीन्स पोलर और टुंड्रा टाइप. टुंड्रा एंड जहां पे मॉसेस, लाइकेंस एंड ऑल देयर. So he has used the concept of Candolle, means somewhere he is following the concept of which one? Yes, tell me. Candolle. And what is the classification he has taken? Letter based first. A B C D E H, इसमें से B हटा देता हूं मैं and I am saying A C D E H and then I said that B, क्योंकि B को इन्होंने टेम्परेचर बेस्ड नहीं लिया है, ही हैज टेकन इट रेनफॉल बेस्ड, मीन्स ड्राई क्लाइमेट। इट इज नॉट बेस्ड ऑन ड्राई, मीन्स आपको भी जानता है विच आर द टू रीजन्स आर ड्राई। वन यू नो दैट द ड्राई रीजन्स आर, वन इट इज इन स्टेपी डेजर्ट एंड देन वी कैन बी एबल टू सी सवाना, विच आर देख रहे थे ना, डेजर्ट में लेस देन 25, सवाना में 35 to 75 एंड देन स्टेपी में 40 to 60, देखे थे ना। So the less rainfall means we have to see this is in a dry climate. It is in a which climate? इन्होंने इसको which climate they have taken? That is, I said that arid and semi-arid, or arid and semi-arid is never related to the temperature. It is related to what? Rainfall. Aridity. Aridity word, you know that it means more evaporation and the less rainfall. Aridity का मतलब यही होता है। And semi-arid means the rainfall is less than 25-30. Semi-arid the rainfall is around, I said that 40, 50, 60, 70 like this. That is in a semi-arid. This is a dry climate. A को अब now on the basis of temperature we are saying that A is in a tropical climate. And what will be there? Tropical forest. Yes, what he said that? Tropical climate, and what he said that? Yes, tropical forest. And then C as mesothermal. C as I said that mesothermal. C as mesothermal. सी को क्या बोला इन्होंने? यस टेल मी। मेसोथर्मल। एंड डी को व्हाट ही हैज सेड दैट? माइक्रोथर्मल। डी एस माइक्रोथर्मल। डी एस A, that is it is originating from the megathermal, megathermal, like I said that tropical kind of it temperature is, I said that throughout the year, यहाँ पे temperature, what is the meaning of tropical climate? That throughout the year temperature is more than 18 degrees Celsius. Average annual temperature is more than 18 degrees Celsius with no winter, with no, I said that there is no winter season. I said that with no tropical, I said that, and in the tropical